When a chart spends months sleeping inside a quiet range and suddenly slips beneath it, most traders panic. But smart eyes know that this is where the market hides its real intentions. This is SHA, and the coin we are analyzing is NEAR. And right now, its entire structure is speaking the language of accumulation, manipulation, and the calm before a potential storm. On the weekly time frame, NEAR spent a long period moving sideways between $1.84 and $3.5. That range acted like a comfort zone where buyers and sellers were constantly testing each other. But when the price eventually dipped below that zone, it entered what many experienced traders recognize as the manipulation area. This is the region where smart money shakes out the impatient traders, forces liquidity to appear, and prepares the chart for a bigger directional move later on. Nothing about this breakdown looks unnatural for a coin stuck in a long accumulation cycle. Right now, the key lies in one specific level. Once NEAR manages to reclaim the $1.84 level with strength, the entire character of the chart changes. That reclaim would mean the manipulation phase is ending and we are entering the distribution zone, the zone where price finally gets room to expand upward. And if it plays out cleanly, this breakout has the potential to push the price towards the previous resistance levels near $5 and even $7 over time. Those higher areas will not be reached instantly, but the path becomes visible once the structure flips back into bullish control. Now let us move to the 4-hour time frame where we can look at the more immediate movement. There is no clear pattern or clean bullish structure yet, and the chart is not forming anything aggressive that signals a sudden breakout. But what we do have is a reliable support at $1.60. This is the level the price has been respecting, and as long as it stays above this support, the short-term direction stays stable and the market retains the potential to climb back toward $1.84. That level is everything for the near term. A clean move back to 1.84 followed by a steady hold above it will be the trigger that confirms strength returning to this chart. It is also important to understand that NEAR is still inside a wider recovery cycle that many coins enter after long periods of bleeding. These cycles do not turn bullish suddenly. Instead, they build energy quietly. First, the support must hold, then the structure must flip, and then the trend begins. NEAR is sitting in that early stage now, the stage where patient traders accumulate and emotional ones exit. As long as price protects the 1.60 support, the foundation for a much larger move remains intact. So for now, the plan is simple. Watch how price behaves around $1.60 and prepare for the reclaim of $1.84. Once that happens, the chart opens up a long runway toward the higher resistances we talked about. If you want the next updates with the same clarity and narrative style, stay connected and I will keep guiding you through each step of the structure.